Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you guys about OpenAL. What is OpenAL? Basically, Open Audio Library. It is used as audio backend or audio. Main purpose is for audio in your game. That's what it's used for. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. Okay, so before starting, there's some things that you guys need to know. First is buffer. What is buffer? Buffer is basically the thing, or it basically holds the data about a audio. For example, let's say there's a .wav file or .mp4 file. Where are you going to store its data? That is where buffer comes in. Buffer holds all your data about your audio. For instance, say in OpenGL there are VBOs, vertex buffer, that holds all your data about your vertices and everything. Similarly, there's buffer in OpenAL world. It holds all your data about your audio. Second is the source. Source is basically the position or the point in a whole world from where the audio is originating from. For example, say there's a loudspeaker about 20 z-axis away from you. So you're going to feel like that audio is coming just from your front. Means the source is just ahead of you. That is called the source. Basically the creator or origin of the sound. Third is the listener, which is us. Means where are we right now? Like say we are just moving around, so we don't want the audio to be static, listening from just one point. No. So this is where the listener comes in. Say we are just moving around, so audio is also going to, like, say audio is in our center, we'll move left, so we are going to feel like the audio is coming from the right. If we move right, so we are going to feel like the audio is coming from the left. This is where the listener comes in. That's it. Okay, so what am I going to do? Teach you basics of OpenAL. OpenAL is kind of easy. If you guys know OpenGL, OpenAL is like nothing. They claim itself that if you guys know how to program in OpenGL, you already know most of OpenAL. Yeah, it's that easy. So what are we going to use? You guys only need to understand basic C++, and if you guys also know OpenGL or any other 3D audio 3D API, that's also nice, because of course that is when you are going to use OpenAL, in my opinion. Secondly, how to set up. Yeah, I will also teach you that. I use Linux, but I think, in my opinion, setting OpenAL on Windows is easier. I assume that you guys can do that yourself. If you know, there's numerous videos on YouTube already. So on Linux, I will also teach how to set up using CMake. So on Windows also, I feel like the process is kind of similar. You guys can also do that. So also these things earlier, the buffer, source, listener, and there are more stuff which I have to teach, but yeah, it's kind of easy, not much difficult. Last is attenuation. Attenuation, for those who don't know, basically is, say you're going far away from the sound or from the source, so you're also going to feel like the source or the sound is getting lower and lower. That is attenuation. Basically similar to OpenGL world, where if you are taking light source away from the object, the light intensity of the light is going to decrease. Yeah, that's what it is. Just like that. So before leaving, I want to just tell you guys that OpenAL is very easy. It's not very difficult. In fact, I figured it out in just 2 days, and yeah, I hope you guys will also do that. I will try my maximum to teach you guys as much as I can. Actually, this is my first video, so I hope I teach well. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.